Hello students, welcome back to your online classes. I hope you all are safe and healthy. In this video, I am going to explain you unit number 3, multiplication and division and their applications. You people are already aware of multiplication, that how to multiply the numbers. In class 5th, you will learn some more method of multiplication. And for this, it's very important. Again, I am saying it's very important that you should know multiplication tables of 2 to 20. Okay, in your maths book, page number 39, unit number 3, multiplication and division and their applications. Okay, learning objectives. To learn multiplication of 4-digit numbers by 2, 3 or 4-digit numbers. To learn multiplication of 5-digit numbers by 1 or 2-digit numbers. Technique of multiplication. To divide 5 and 6-digit numbers by 1 or 2-digit numbers. To solve word problems on multiplication and division. To learn application of 4 operations. Okay, as you have already learned multiplication fact in your previous class, but still I will explain it as your revision. The first fact, it's already given in your maths book, page number 40. The product of a number multiplied by 1 is that number itself. For example, we have written here 3856 multiplied by 1. What is the answer? 3856. One more example. 1 multiply 9999. What is the answer? 9999. That means you can take any number, कोई भी तुम नंबर ले लो और अगर तुम उसको 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, हमेशा जो आंसर क्या आएगा, दैट इज द नंबर इटसेल्फ. ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट. द सेकेंड फैक्ट इज the product of a number multiplied by 0 is 0. The second one is, for example, like 8632 multiplied by 0. Answer is 0. One more example, write 0 multiplied by like 12855. then answer is 0. That means you can take any number, तुम कोई भी नंबर लो, अगर तुम 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो उसका आंसर हमेशा क्या आएगा? 0 आएगा. The next one is, if the order of the numbers multiplied is changed, the product remains the same. For example, here, like I am to write 5 multiply 8 is equal to 40. 5 8s are 40, and in previous classes already you know that the first number is known as multiplicand, the second number is known as multiplier, and the answer after the multiplication is known as product. This 40 is known as product, the first is multiplicand, this is multiplier. Now you can interchange the place. Write here 8 first, multiply 5 is equal to 40. So again, in the both the condition, answer is same. So that means if the order of the numbers multiplied is changed, हमने यहाँ ऑर्डर चेंज कर दिया, जो फर्स्ट नंबर था उसको मैंने सेकंड में किया, जो सेकंड नंबर था उसको फर्स्ट में किया, बट उसके आंसर में कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं आए. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन एक्सरसाइज 3A, पेज नंबर 42. इट्स योर कॉपी वर्क. अभी जो भी मैं क्वेश्चन कराऊंगा वो ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन को तुमको अपने मैथ्स कॉपी में कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1A इज गिवन 2345 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 25. ऑलरेडी इट्स रिटन हियर इन हॉरिजॉन्टल, यू कैन राइट इन वर्टिकल फर्स्ट. राइट हियर 2 3 4 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 25. जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई. 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. You can write 2, again carry 2. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. Write here 7, carry 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, it's 11. That once multiplication is over, now you can write here 0. Many of the students यहाँ पे क्रॉस का साइन देते हैं. That one is also right, but try to give 0. Now the second, multiply by 2. 2 5s are 10, 0, carry 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, it's 9. 2 3s are 6, right here 6. 2 2s are 4. After give the sign of plus, then you can add. Here is 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 0 2, 9 plus 7 16. Right here 6, carry 1. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6 8, 4 plus 1 5. Now you are in class 5th, so please don't write carry. Carry अपने मन में याद करो, कहीं भी carry लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, so the final answer is 58,625. Right here answer. This is the question number A. Now moving to question number B. Question number B is 3,214 multiply by 53. So again you can multiply here, write here 3,214 multiply by 53. 3 4s are 12, 2 carry 1. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, right here 4. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Again once multiplication is over, right here 0. 5 4s are 20, 0, carry 2. 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 2s are 10, again write 0, carry 1. 5 3s are 15 and 1 16. 6 1, give the sign of plus. Now you can add 2 plus 0 2, 4 plus 0 4, 6 plus 7 is 13, 3, carry 1. 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 0 10, right here 0, carry 1. 1 plus 6 7 and 1. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. That the answer is 1,70,342. Okay. Now the next question number F. In exercise 3A, many of the questions are given here A to H, but only in your copy can do it question number A, B, this F, and one more question. Okay, but firstly just see the question number F. It's written here 5,492 multiply by 623. Again you can multiply here, write here 5 4 9 2 multiply by 623 is the 3-digit number multiplication. Now then you can again multiply. 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27, write here 7, carry 2. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 14, write here 4, carry 1. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 is 16. Okay. Now once work is over, then give the 0 here. Okay. Now you can go in the second place, that is the tens place. 2 2s are 4, write here 4. 2 9s are 18, 8, carry 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9, and 2 5s are 10, 0 1. Okay. Now once is already over, again you can give the 0. Tens work is also over, again you can give the 0. Now move to 100 place. 6 2s are 12 is 2, carry 1. 6 9s are 54 plus 1 55, right here 5, carry 5. 6 4s are 24 plus 5 is 29, Write here 9, carry 2, 6 5s are 30 plus 2 is 32. Write here plus sign. Now you can add all this number. Here is 6, 7 plus 4, 11, 1, carry 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. Write here 5, carry 1, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 9, it's 16, 16 plus 5 is 21. Write here 1, carry 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 9 is 12, is 2, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, and here is 3. So just it ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Then the answer is 34 lakhs, 21,516. This is your answer. Okay. Now moving to the question number G. It's written here 8,143. 8,143 multiply 526. 526. Now you can multiply now. Write here 8143 multiply by 526. You can multiply now. Okay. 6 3s are 18. 8 carry 1. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 is 25. 5 carry 2. 6 1s are 6 plus 2 is 8 and 6 8s are 48. Once work is over, give the 0 sign here. Now in the tens place, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Okay, now again the ones place, again you can write 0, tens place write 0, in the 100 place 5 3s are 15, 5 carry 1, 5 4s are 20 plus 1 is 21, 1 carry 2, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7 and 5 8s are 40. Give the sign of plus and now you can add 8, 5 plus 6 it's 11, 1 carry 1, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 5 22. Right here 2 carry 2, 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 1 13. Here is 3 carry 1, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 7 18, 8 carry 1, 1 plus 1 2 and the last number is 4. Now ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Answer is 42 lakhs 83,218. This is your answer. Okay, so in exercise 3A, question number 1, it's given A to H question. I have already explained you question number A, question number B, question number F and question number G. Okay, so this 4 questions you can do in your maths fair copy. Okay, now moving to the question number 2, solve the following. Okay, now moving to your question number 2, solve the following. It's already given here A, B, C and D. Again your maths copy, you can look only question number A and question number D. It's slightly different question. It's given is multiplication 315 multiplied by 20. So just see here, the last digit is here is given 0. For multiplication just कुछ देर के लिए इस 0 को तुम छोड़ दो, तुम सिंपल मल्टीप्लाई करो 315 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2. इस 0 को अभी तो टोटली छोड़ दो थोड़ा देर के लिए, सिंपल मल्टीप्लाई करो 2 5 10, 0 कैरी 1, 2 1 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 3 6. Okay, now After that, how many zeros is here? 1 0. Then write here 1 0. This is your answer. Okay. In the second question number D, again just see here. Here is 1 0 and the last 2 here is 0. Okay, just leave that all the zero. Simply write the number 8 4 3 5 multiply by 4. Simply multiply. 4 5s are 20. Write here 0. Carry 2. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 is 14. 4 carry 1. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. 7 carry 1. 4 8s are 32 plus 1 is 33. Okay. Now how many zeros are left now? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Okay. Now then this is your ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 3 crores, 37 lakhs, 40,000. This is your answer. Okay. Now just see here one more thing. क्यों यहाँ पे हम यहाँ पे ये जीरो और ये जीरो यहाँ पे ये जीरो छोड़ दिए? बिकॉज जब तुम उसको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे उस जीरो को, उससे तुम्हारे आंसर में कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं होगा. बट एक बात हमेशा याद रखना, ये जीरो के आगे कोई भी नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स जीरो के आगे 1 2 3 एक्सेप्ट जीरो के आगे कोई भी एक सिंगल डिजिट नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स 1 to 9. इन केस यहाँ पे देखो ये दोनों जीरो, इसके आगे कोई भी नंबर नहीं था, इसलिए ये दो जीरो को हम छोड़ दिए. ये जीरो देखो, ये जीरो के आगे कोई भी नंबर नहीं था, इसलिए इस जीरो को हम छोड़ दिए. यहाँ भी इस जीरो के आगे कोई नंबर नहीं था, इसलिए हम इसको छोड़ दिए. बट अगर जीरो कोई भी किसी के बीच में कोई भी नंबर अगर रहा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वन मोर एक सिंपली एक एग्जाम्पल हम शो कर रहे हैं. फॉर लाइक 100 टू मल्टीप्लाई बाई 20, सिंपल मल्टीप्लाई. तो यहाँ देखो ये जीरो के बाद कोई नंबर नहीं है, तो तुम इस जीरो को तुम थोड़ी देर के लिए रिमूव कर सकते हो. बट ये जीरो के बाद एक नंबर दिया है, तो तुम ये जीरो को तुमको रिमूव नहीं करना है. दैट मीन तुम मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 102 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 multiply 0 0. 2 1s are 2. और कितना जीरो छोड़े? 1. सो दिस इज योर आंसर 2040. एक बात हमेशा याद रखना, जीरो उसी कंडीशन में तुमको छोड़ना है जब उस जीरो के आगे और कोई भी नंबर नहीं लिखा. अगर जीरो के आगे कोई भी एक दूसरा नंबर एक्सेप्ट जीरो को छोड़ के लिखा होगा, उस पूरे नंबर को तुम वहां लिखोगे. ओके, नाउ इट्स क्लियर. सो in this video I will stop till here. Next video I will explain how to multiply by 11, 15 and 99. Okay, take care. Bye bye.